The following process describes an order handover from DS Core to Atlantis Web, order that requires steps in both platforms, which is available for both clinicians and dental lab accounts. Let's begin. A customer has sent an implant case, including an Atlantis Abutment and Core file request. To process this case, create a subcontracted order and start the Atlantis Abutment order using the provided files. Select the correct jaw and implant position, followed by the implant manufacturer, product line, implant name, and scan body. Next, add the intraoral scan from a DS scanner to the order. Note that only scans with an Atlantis IO flow or ELOS scan flag can be sent in for an Atlantis order. Once all order parameters are set and reviewed, click Submit. This transfers your order to your Atlantis web order account. You will then automatically receive an email with a link to continue your order in your Atlantis account. You will find your scan files along with your pre-populated parameters so that you can finalize and place the order to Atlantis. After your order is placed, the existing Atlantis workflow applies. The Atlantis designer creates an abutment design, which you can review in Atlantis Editor, modify, or request adjustments. Once approved, Atlantis manufactures and ships the abutment to your office. Please note this workflow requires a DS Core Access account or higher and an Atlantis web order account, as well as a manual account synchronization step by a Dentsply Sirona customer service agent. When you hand over your first order from DS Core to Atlantis web order, a Dentsply Sirona customer service agent will synchronize your DS Core account with your Atlantis web order account. This can take up to 24 hours but is only required with your first order. No manual step is required on your side to synchronize the two accounts. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.